Oke, kembali lagi di channel saya. Kali ini saya lagi rutinitas liburan kerja lah, mau beres-beres kosan biar agak nggak terlalu berantakan lah gitu. Mumpung saya libur dan mau beres-beres lah daripada berantakan gak jelas gitu. Ini saya keadaan baru bangun dan belum sama sekali. Pokoknya saya mau beres-beres dulu. Tonton video ini sampai habis. Oke guys.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory bad enough to get a C. They'd rather just go leave it be. And oh, this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. My hand's steady, I feel ready, but my leg's heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live.
Nah, jadi itu untuk keseharian rutinitas kerja minggu ini. Beres-beres kosan lumayan capek ya. Berarti seperti ini sama anak-anak kosan sih. Kalau saya sih gak bisa kotor gitu kosannya.
A few moments later.
Harus ya rapi-rapi lumayan lah, gak terlalu loh. Nah paling itu rasanya ngepel itu lumayan, meskipun sehari tapi cangkir meskipun. Nah paling itulah rutinitas kerja minggu ini. Dan jangan lupa klik like, share, and subscribe agar saya terus semangat buat konten-konten. Kalau misalkan nggak menarik juga nggak apa-apa, ini keseharian rutinitas kerja saya. Nah, paling sekian untuk rutinitas kali ini, vlog beberes. Sekian, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.